Talk Back Tuesday with me, Fancy Nancy, and today we're in this luxury bathroom. Question for you, this shower is gorgeous and amazing, but shampoo situation and bottle situation. What are we thinking, dolls? So they have these little ledges. I don't know about you, but as you can see, I have a lot of hair. So I have lots of products. And so for me, I need like a shampoo niche here, large, or even like here, one on each side, one for him, one for me. And there's no bench. How are we feeling about that? Bench, shampoo niche. I mean, this big, huge shower. I mean, all these things can happen in here, and there's no bench and there's no shampoo niche. Comment below. Let me know what you think. Is it a big deal? Is it not? I'd love to hear it.